would come up in a stagecoach, and then eventually, like Pierce Allen, Pierce Allen was huge car. Yeah, big, high off the ground.
Ski runs. A view across Lake Tahoe. Eagle Bay. Yeah, postcard perfect.
Sun shining in it.
Postcard perfect.
Darn dry. Boy, oh boy.
So where do you walk down to Vikings Home? Is that from up here?
Yeah, it's all around the corner. I'll show you.
Because I did it. I just haven't done it in a long. And quite frankly, I'd rather kayak too.
That's good.
And when we went down there, wasn't even open.
No, it's same with me. That's why I've never been to Vikings.
What was that?
My glasses
I hope you got that mosquito.
We gotta do.
Wow, there was a huge rat in the road, this big.
Really?
Let's go back and I videotape it.
A rat?
Yeah, big. I think it was a rat.
Look at that formation.
Yeah, look at that.
Those need some sandblasting, it looks like.
Yeah. Wonder when they get sand. This is VG
Spoken
World.
like a true carpet cleaner.
Yeah.
Sees surfaces and
I'm
things.
embarrassed to look at my carpet surface.
We've had animals throwing up on our carpet for
Me
15
too.
years.
Steve can't get to the restroom in time.
No. No, the
I
reason
don't think it's got that good.
Luna has some kind of terrible something we don't want to discuss, but it makes her have the absolute wrong kind of accident.
Oh no.
So she's been getting pills, and when she gets her pills, it doesn't happen.
Yeah.
Help them with, and
Japanese
did he tell
especially.
you about his new client?
No.
It's a kid who was in now I can't remember what athletics. It was not football, but it was something, and he got hit in the head.
Oh.
He didn't get the job at American River College.
That would have been the perfect job for him.
And it's starting to look like the volunteer job might be tricky because he might actually have to be a grad student already.
Yeah, he and I talked about how to get him into grad school early yesterday. I was telling him if he took his electives, what's it going to be?